from Paris, France. I'm your Lola Hermie. Anne, happy 18th birthday. Thank you so much for being a part of your special day. I wish you good luck, good health, good future, and may you reach the shining stars that you are wishing for. I love you. I have nothing to say except take good care of yourself and be as good as you are. Hindi ka magbabago. You're always like what you are before. I love you, Anne. Happy 18th birthday from Lola Hermie, Paris, France.
Giselle, happy birthday. More birthday to come. Sana matupad mo lahat ng iyong pangarap sa buhay. Bye-bye!
Ang gusto naman lang yung message.
Tama.
Hi, Giselle! Alam kong napaka-bunggacious ng iyong party tonight. Sayang hindi kami nakaabot ng iyong birthday party. Hindi naman agad namin nalaman na magbe-birthday ka pala ng last week ng May. So magkita na lang tayo after ng iyong birthday. Sana naka-attend kami, sayang talaga. But anyway, binabati ka namin ng sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday at sana yung mga wish mo, yung mga dreams mo ay matupad. Alam naman namin na ikaw ay very intelligent girl at ang dami mo ng achievements na nagawa sa iyong buhay at kami ay sure na lahat ng mga pangarap mo ay matutupad.
Yes.
Hindi namin kasama yung dalawa dahil ang hirap magkasabay-sabay ng aming off. Nasa trabaho yung dalawa. Kaya see you soon na lang sa Philippines. Okay? Bye! And kumusta sa lahat?
Happy birthday, Giselle!
Yeah, greetings
Greetings
from
from Canada.
Hello! Babasahin ko na lang yung message ko sa iyo, Giselle, kasi hindi ako makapag-concentrate ng walang binabasa. Okay. Happy 18th birthday to our beloved granddaughter. We wish you all the best in achieving your dreams and having a bright future ahead. You have grown up to be such a wonderful and loving daughter to your parents, and they are truly lucky to have you in their lives. May you continue to be a good child, a loving daughter, and a God-fearing individual. Keep doing the things that bring you joy and make you happy. We are so proud of all your academic achievements and believe that you will go on to achieve great things in life. Happy 18th birthday. Congratulations.
Happy birthday, Giselle!
Birthday.
Enjoy your special day!
Stay sweet and beautiful as you are.
Pag nakatatlog ang hangin dyan. Hello, Ann!
Hi, Giselle. Hi, Giselle.
Giselle, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy 18th birthday! Dalaga na, Giselle! Wish you all the best! Sana matupad mo lahat ng iyong mga pangarap. Mag-aral mabuti. Enjoy your day, Giselle! God bless you. Love, love, love.
Love, love, love. Ayan na. At kakantahan na lang namin ni Patrick si Klase Giselle. Oh. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ulit. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Joseph. God bless.
Enjoy your day. God bless you.
Bye.